Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to download TikTok videos on Android. TikTok allows users to save many videos directly to their Android devices when the creator has enabled downloads. Downloading videos can make them available for offline viewing and sharing. The exact options may vary depending on the video's privacy settings and the version of the TikTok app you're using. To begin, unlock your Android device and open the TikTok app. Sign into your account if prompted. Browse your For You page or open a specific video you want to save. Make sure the video is allowed to be downloaded by the creator. Tap the share button on the right side of the video. Review the sharing options that appear. Tap Save Video if the option is available. Wait for TikTok to process the download. Allow storage permissions if the app requests access to your device. Then continue waiting until the download reaches 100%. Look for a confirmation message indicating that the video has been saved. Open your phone's gallery or Photos app. Navigate to the TikTok folder or recent download section. Verify that the video is saved and can be played offline from your device. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.